Yeah, 79, contact Stone Park today.
Okay.
American 3130, slow to final.
Well, American 3130.
Pad 25, traffic just south of Wilson Bridge to CRJ is 1,000 towards the feet, start runway 33.
Scott has a traffic site request visual separation.
This separation group. American 1630, tower runway 1 lock void, traffic throughout, start runway 33, dispatch 16 off final.
Wait, runway 1.
Whiskey 5307, keep rolling out to November, ground 47 today. American 1630, 1 star 320 14, Duck 25, traffic 2 mile up base runway 33, no delay, runway 1 clear for immediate
Clears
takeoff.
American to
Number
take
1,
off.
clear for takeoff, American 1630.
Here it
Pad
comes.
25, get the CRJ in sight. Pad 25, pass behind this CRJ.
Scott has a aircraft in site request visual
American 4782 by Baton now for individual.
American 472, Austin Tower 1 star 32017.
Tower, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33.
Second heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left in 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000.
See how fast I am.
Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3. Crash. This is alert 3. Oh, shit. Where's the alert 3? It is off the approach end of runway 33. Approach end of runway 33. Helicopter crash. Helicopter. Copy out this morning. Crash. This is alert 3. 2 helicopters. Helicopter CRJ, approach in runway 33. The approach in runway 33, a mile off final. Crash. Kilo CRJ, approach in 33. Okay. How many souls on board? We don't have any of that information. Towers reporting a CRJ and a helicopter crash in Potomac River. Can we go ahead and hold all operations till we have emergency units respond? We're going to go ahead and show the aerodrome closed. Yeah, that's affirmative. All operations aerodrome closed.
And everybody just hold your positions, please, on the field right now.
That's South 43, ready for taxi.
Everyone's going to have to hold for down. I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Fire command, the accident happened in the river. Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river. It's east of the approach end of runway 33.
Is the airfield closed?
Yes, the airfield is closed.
Runways as well?
All runways are closed. Nobody's landing. No one's moving at all.
And we have clearance across all taxiways and runways, correct?
Yes, you have clearance through the whole field, all taxiways and runways.